Hey guys, guess where I am? Like I told you, we're getting ready to go into the video footage today. We're gonna spotlight this rig that's behind me and wait till you get a chance to see what we're doing with this one. So hang in there guys, we'll be right back with the owner and some of the stuff that he's gonna tell us about this beautiful rig. Hang in there, Elegance on 18 wheels. Hey guys, remember I told you I was gonna be profiling this beautiful truck? Well, I got the owner right here. Juan Cruz is the actual owner of this beautiful Peterbilt. Juan, how's it going, man?
Pretty good, how are you?
Fantastic, fantastic. Juan, I want to say thank you for giving me the chance to actually come down. I know it's raining and everything, but you gave me a chance to come down and we're going to talk a little bit about this beautiful Peterbilt of yours.
Thank you for your time.
Oh man, I saw this and I love the color and tell me a little bit about it. What year is this?
That one's 2010.
2010. And what's the wheelbase on this?
275.
275. And what exactly do you do with this one?
We redo everything.
Everything.
We dismantle everything. We change the engine. We do everything.
Wow.
We change the zipper a couple times because we trying to do flat top. But for some reason I don't like it. We buy another new zipper and we put it on.
Okay.
We do everything. We put the air ride in the front. We do everything. Lights, everything.
Well guys, we're going to be looking at everything that Juan is talking about in a little bit, but I just had to get him on camera right now, so because we're kind of fighting the weather here. It's been raining and everything, but right now we're going to just look at and listen to him talk about all the stuff in there, and then we're going to look at it a little bit later. You were telling me, man, that you actually got some chrome shops and stuff too,
yes.
Right?
We come from California. We started in Fresno, California in 2000, and we opened another one, and we got in the Washington State to chrome shop more.
Oh wow!
And we drive for 30 years anyway.
And yes, guys, this is his truck.
Yes.
We're gonna be looking at the truck in a little bit here, and we're gonna probably do a photo shoot a little later on this afternoon. But I had to get Juan on camera right now so that we could get this over with because we're fighting the weather. So everybody, Juan Cruz and this beautiful Peterbilt that he started from the ground up. Juan, thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you.
All right. What's the name of your chrome shop?
A&L Truck Supply.
A&L Truck Supply. So guys, right down here, you'll see, go to their website, check them out. He's got some awesome stuff. So Mr. Cruz, you actually built this for the company to show off all the stuff that you have, correct?
Yes, we show all the products we sold.
And how many years you been in business?
Well, we are 20 business with a chrome shop and I driving for 30 years.
30 years. And guys, as you can tell, this is an absolute beautiful truck. And we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you some of the highlights of it too. You said you already did the motor and everything.
Everything,
this, right?
everything.
Guys, we're gonna see if we can get Mr. Cruz to open up the hood on here so we can take a look at that too. You gotta tell them the color. The color is so cool.
The color is we start with a candy red. Finally, it's come with a candy wine red.
Candy wine red. So I don't think you're gonna be able to find this in a paint store. So
You're trying to copy, but it's hard to copy.
this is absolutely beautiful, guys, and I want to thank Mr. Cruz for actually. We're at the end of the show. Everybody's leaving, and it's been raining and everything. I showed you guys earlier that it was storming and stuff, but we finally let up, and Mr. Cruz hung around with me just so we could get this done. And I want to thank you, sir, so very much.
No, thank you for the review, and thank you for taking your time. We work hard for this project.
And Mr. Cruz is going to be headed back to Fresno. So, guys, look him up. Like I said, look right down here. There's his website and all his information. Go to his site and check him out. They've got some of the coolest stuff. And I'm gonna finish kissing the bumper on this truck because I love it so much. We're gonna walk around it, enjoy it, and I'm gonna let Mr. Cruz get up out of here because he got a long ride home. Mr. Cruz, once again, thank you, sir.
Thank you
I really
very much.
appreciate it,
All right.
sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care, guys. We'll see you next time.